Dear students, in this video we are going to see about how to convert the fractional decimal to binary. Already we have seen about the decimal to binary. That is nothing but how we are going to convert the decimal to binary. That is a method of using the repeated division method. So in order to convert the fractional part, we are going to use the repeated multiplication by 2 method. So here we are going to see an example for that. Suppose assume that if you want to convert the 5.2 into its equivalent binary number. This is a decimal number. So the base value is 5.2 and then the base 10, and then we are going to find its equivalent binary value. That is, we are going to find the x value here. Okay, usually we are going to find the decimal to binary means we will use the repeated division method, no? So 5 we are going to divide by 2 times, and then the remainder is 1. Again you are going to divide the number, again you will be getting the value as 101. You are going to collect the numbers from the bottom to top, otherwise in the reverse order. So the equivalent 5 value is, that is nothing but the 101. So you have to find the whole number separately, and then the fractional part separately. So for the 5 it's a 101. Is for the 5 it's equal to 101 base 2. So now we have to find out for the 0.2. So the 0.2 can be represented as 0.2. So the 0 point we are going to use the repeated multiplication by 2. 0.2 into 2 equal to 0.4. Here you have to collect the integral part. The integral part here it's a 0. So you are going to collect the 0 over here. So the next time you are going to multiply this value by 2. So the 0.4 into 2 equal to 0.8. Again it's a 0. Okay, and then integral part alone. So when you are going to take the 0 from the 0.8 or 0 from the 0.4, again you will be getting the 0.4 only. So the 0 minus 0, so again it's a 0. So here again you are taking the integral part. Integral part is 0. So you are taking the 0 means again you will be getting the 0.8. 0.8 into 2 equal to 1.6. Okay. Now you can see the integral part is a 1. So and you are taking the 1 here. So if you are taking the integral part 1 means the remaining value from here is a 0.6. You are removing the 1 from the 1.6. So you are having 0.6. If you are going to take the 0 from the 0.8, there is no change. But when you are going to take the 1 from 1.6, there is a change, that is a 0.6. You have taken the 1 here. So now we are going to multiply with the 2. You are getting the 1.2. Again you are taking the 1. So you are collecting the 1 here. The remainder is a 0.2. So you are going to stop this process when you are reaching the 4 decimal places. Okay, what are the 4 decimal places? 0. Again it's a 0, and then the 1, again the last 1. So now the value is 0011. Okay, you are collecting in the top to bottom manner. So the 0.2 is equivalent to, the binary value for the 0.2 is equivalent to 0011. So you have to put the decimal point in the correct manner. So how we are going to place that particular thing? So now you are having the for the 5 you are having 101, and then for the 0.2 you are having 0011. So now the answer for the 5.2 is equal to 101.0011. Okay, so it is a value here. 5.2 equal to 101. For the 5 it's a 101, and then the 0.2 you are going to place a 1 point here. Don't insert any zeros. If you are going to insert any zero means the result will change. So 1001 point, and then the value which is collected from the top to bottom 0011. The result is a 1.01.0011. What is the base value? 5.2, it's a 10, and then here it is a 2. Okay, shall we see the one more? Suppose I want to find out the answer for the 1.9. 1.9, I want to find the equivalent binary value. For the 1, you know that is a binary equivalent is also 1. So now we are going to find the 0.9 equivalent binary value. So I am going to represent as 0.9 into 2 equal to 1.8. So you are collecting the 1 here, and then remainder is a 0.8 into 2 equal to 1.6. Again you are collecting the 1. Again it's a 0.6 into 2 equal to 1.2. So after removing the 1 you are getting 0.2. 0.2 into 2 equal to 0.4. So you are collecting the 0. The integral part is 0. Here the integral part is 1. Here it is a 1. Here it is a 1. So now the value, binary value for the 0.9 is 0.1110. Okay, the top to bottom you have to collect from the top to bottom. So 1110. So how will you write this for the 1.9? So for the 1.9 the binary value is equal to 1.1110, and then the base 2. If you want to cross check this particular value whether it's a correct or not, already you know how to get the binary to decimal value. If you are going to perform that particular thing, that is nothing but you have to multiply the each and every digit by 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3, etc. means you will be getting the result as 0.9. Okay, students, thank you.